Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on an Audi A4. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down before starting. It's also wise to consult your car's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll typically find 2 Torx screws holding the entire headlight unit in place. Carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the headlight unit forward. This action will give you enough space to access the back of the assembly, where the bulb is housed. With the headlight unit accessible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Next, gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Firmly push the new bulb into place and twist it clockwise to secure it. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position and reinsert the 2 Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.